Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to dangramza.com Market Studies for Monday, October 30th. Interesting day, a lot of fundamentals came out as we talked about in the advanced video. What do we see here in the S&P? We see sellers in control. Look for a down day on Monday, but not a big day down. And now, if you're not familiar with these charts, couple things. One, the green line represents a buy level, red represents a sell level, dash line means it's something that happened earlier in this week. Now, you can also go back over 10 years at the website and look at previous videos. So you could go back when this market traded below that red line at that point, and you would see the green line moving as the market moves lower. So to protect that profit, that would be the concept. These are not buy and sell recommendations, but just ideas that I'd like to share with you. So in the S&P, the difference between that sell to that buy level to provide that reference was $4,250 a contract. Over here in the NASDAQ market, this difference was $7,640 a contract. And from the sell level down to this buy level, which happened on Friday, that's $7,940 a contract. Now, what I want to point out is if we were a buyer here, this market closed underwater. It was not profitable on the close. So risk management here is also critical for any trading strategy. The Dow, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market is $7,000 a contract. Over here in the Russell, this difference between the sell and buy level in that market, $2,250 a contract. Further movement to the downside expected. And in the euro, the difference between this buy level to that sell level is $375 a contract. The difference between the sell down to this buy level was $550 a contract. Look for an inside day on Monday from this buy level to that sell level in Swissy, $1,287.50. Also, look for a sideways move in that market as well. And our friend Mr. Yen, the difference between that sell and buy level right here on Friday is $50 a contract. Well, let's talk about the Aussie dollar. The difference here between this buy level and that sell level is $320 a contract. And then from the sell level down to that buy level is $270 a contract. Look for an inside day. That's a neutral zone trade on Monday. Well, same thing here for the British pound. The difference between that sell and buy level is $500 a contract. And from this buy level to that sell level to that buy level, $125 a contract. Again, if we were a buyer here, that closed underwater. Look for a sideways move on Monday. In the Canadian dollar, the difference between the sell and buy level in that market is $100 a contract. And depending on what happens in crude, that can give us some clues about our friend, the Canadian dollar. On Friday, Bitcoin traded just below its sell level, and it also closed a bit above it, so it's underwater a bit. And the difference between the buy level to that sell level in that market per contract would be $32,700 a contract. And again, it's just to give you an idea of the dollar value of the change for that market. In the 10-year notes, look for a sideways move. And in the 30-year bonds, the difference between that sell and buy level in that market was $2,000 a contract. I don't look for a big day up or down in that market. Gold traded below its sell level. The difference between that buy and sell level in that market is $13,100 a contract. And what are we looking for in this market? I'm not looking for a big move up, but rather a sideways move. The bias is for a move to higher levels. In silver, the dollar difference between this buy level and that sell level, to provide that reference, is $7,100 a contract. Look for a sideways move on Monday. There's some enthusiasm about copper. Be careful here. China hasn't really changed any much. They've only given us their intention, and that's what people are focusing on. The dollar difference between the sell and buy level, $250 a contract. Crude oil traded above its buy level. The difference between the sell and buy level in that market, to give you an idea of what's going on there, is $2,170 a contract. Now let's talk about nat gas. The difference between the buy and sell level in that market, to provide that reference, is $3,300 a contract. Be very careful at these levels. Sellers are coming into that market. Corn is a market that the difference between the buy and the sell level in that market is $300 a contract. I don't look for a big move to the upside. They're still waiting for more data on the harvest, and the same thing holds true for our friend Mr. Wheat. Sideways move as we gather more information about the global supply. Well, those are my thoughts for today. Hope you found something helpful. Look forward to being with you again on Monday. In the meantime, have a terrific weekend and take care.